Eulogy of Lord Adinatha, Bhaktambar Stotra, verse number 12। यहि शांत राग रुचि भी परमाणु भिस्त्वं निर्मापितस्त्रिभुवनैकललाम भूत तावन्त एव खलु ते प्रणवाः पृथिव्यां यत्ते समानमपरं नहि रूपमस्ति। Oh my God, what an awesome look of yours. Let us discuss about prose order of verse number 12. First line of words contains the words यही शांत राग रुचि भी परमाणु भी त्वम। Splitting of words taking place due to Sanskrit Vyakaran. Just go to playlist and find out the folder of Bhaktambar Vyakaran Sutra and study it so well. Yahi Shant Rag, that means Yahi, it's Yahi Shant Rag. The complete meaning is by detest. Ruchi Bihi, it's splendid or marvelous, awesome. Parmanu Bihi, by atoms. Tvam, it's you. Words of next line are Nirma Pitaha Tri Bhova Neika Lalam Bhut. Here Nirmapita means constructed. Tribhuvaneika, that means the one and only in the three worlds. Lalam Bhuta, with awesome look or having the awesome look. Words of next line are Tavant Eva Khalu Te Vyadavaha, or can say Te Api Adavaha. I split it out. Prithibhyam. Tavant, that means that much. Ev, only. Khalu, it's for sure. Te, they. Api, also. Anavaha, atoms. Prithibhyam, on the earth. And the last line contains the words Yatte, Yat, Te, Samanam, Aparam, Nahi, Rupam, Asti. Yat, that means as. Te Samanam, you. Te, that means you. Samanam, it's equal to, or can say as, same as. Aparam, it's other. Nahi, not. Rupam, form or posture. Asti, is. Time to discuss the whole meaning of verse number 12 by a chart. First of all, here it is Tribhuvaneika Lalam Bhut, addressing to Lord Adinatha. That means the one and only in the three worlds with awesome look. Tvam nirma pitah. Tvam nirma pitah. That means you constructed by यही परमाणु भी शांत राग रुचि भी. That means you constructed by the atoms which are detached and splendid. Those atoms are तावंत एव खलु ते प्यारवः. That means that much only for sure. Why so? Here it is saying that, oh, the one and only in the three worlds, the awesome look, you became constructed by the atoms which are detached and splendid, and the quantity of those atoms are that much only. Here question mark, why so? It is so because पृथिव्याम यत्ते समान मपरम नहीं रूप मस्ती. Because in this earth, on this earth, there is no one like you. Listen again the complete meaning. Oh, the one and only with awesome look in the three worlds. Nobody is equal to you on this earth, as it is the end of detached or non-attached and splendid atoms by which your form has been constructed. It is really wow. Look at the text of this verse number 12 for your noting. This is the end of prose order of verse number 12.